Hello everyone, the Office Lad here. In this example, we are going to see how you can highlight some dates based on any date criteria. Like in my case, I have some products with their expiry dates. It also applies to some project timelines if you want. So I want to highlight all the dates that are 5 days from today. Like today is 17th of October. So I want to highlight all the dates that are before 22nd of October. So to do this, first you will have to choose the column that has all the expiry dates. So simply choose all of the date values first of all, like this. Then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and choose less than. And in the box, I'm using a formula for today, like it will give me today's date. And if I say +5, it is 22nd of October. So you can see all the dates that are less than 22nd of October are highlighted. Uh, but let's say some of these are already expired, right? Like 12th of October, 16th of October, 11th of October. I want to highlight them in a more strong color, like in a red color, let's say. So I can say that they are already expired. So we will use the same trick once again, go to less than. And this time we say anything that is less than today, I will use a specific color for it. Go to custom format and let's say we are filling it with red color, indicating that this product is already expired. So as soon as you will press OK, you can see the dates that are already expired, like they were less than today, are now highlighted in a red color. So with this simple trick, you can use as many formulas on date as you want.